In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw an arc between two circles in AutoCAD. We're going to create a clean, tangent arc that connects two circles by using the tan, radius circle tool, and then trimming away what we don't need. This approach is fast, precise, and easy to repeat once you've done it a couple of times. Start by drawing your two circles. Use the circle command to place each one where you want it, with whatever centers and sizes your design requires. Make sure Object Snap is on so you can snap accurately later. Having clear layers and a sensible scale also helps you see what's going on as you work. Next, we'll build the construction that gives us the arc. Open the Circle tool drop-down and choose the tan, radius option. If you prefer typing, start the Circle command and choose the TTR option from the command line. Now, click the edge of the first circle to set the first tangent, and then click the edge of the second circle to set the second tangent. Watch for the tangent snap cue so you know AutoCAD is locking correctly to each circle's edge. When prompted for a radius, either type a specific value if you already know it, or use the existing circles as a visual guide to choose a radius that looks right for your layout. AutoCAD will preview the solution as you move your cursor, so you can see how the resulting circle will wrap around the two existing ones. If the radius is too small or large for a valid tangent solution, simply adjust the value until the preview looks correct. AutoCAD now creates a larger circle that touches both of your original circles at exactly 2 points. Think of this as the parent circle from which your connecting arc will come. To keep only the arc you want, run the trim command. In modern AutoCAD, you can press Enter to use all visible geometry as cutting edges. Then carefully click the parts of the large circle you don't need, leaving only the arc segment that bridges between the two tangency points. Zoom in as needed so you trim precisely. If you remove too much, just undo and try again. Keep the original two circles intact unless your design calls for further cleanup. And that's all there is to it. You've drawn a precise arc between two circles using tan, radius, and a quick trim, ready to incorporate into your drawing.